Morning. Driving right now. Heading to Huntington, Indiana to pick up some stuff. Electric bike and all the car for the van. But I think the storm would not let me go at all. I'm heading directly to the storm. Look at that. I'm going to show it to you. See it? They won't let me go. Now I have to document everything about the storm. Did I see storm or snow? Storm, I said. But yeah. Well, we'll see you then. Okay, back. It's really bad now. It's heavy storm. Heavy storm, heavy rain. I'll show this to you in a minute. Hang on. There you go. I'm gonna go 60 miles an hour. Oh, no, 50. I go 50. Look at that. Okay, I'm driving home. I got all my delivery and the pickup ones too. I want to show you. It's really bad. It's heavy rain, slick. The road is slick. Look at that. Woo! I just can't. Look at this. I'm going like 40 miles an hour. Look at that. Dangerous. I'm gonna go slow. It's really dangerous. I'm on a dangerous road here. You gotta go slow. I want to turn my lights on. It's really, I like it. I don't like it at all. It's gonna go slow, man. Very slow. Yeah. Alright, now check this out here. Underpass. It's really bad. Can hardly see the road. Did you see it? Can you see it? Alright. I think that's the big the depot or gas depot. Look at that. Big. I think the convert gas here. It's a Sonata. Big oil refinery, I think. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. I'm doing slow. Just got to go fast. Look at that. That's the only 2 deliveries I have. I'm gonna pick this up and deliver this. Look at that. Hey, I have to make some money. $100 to deliver it. About 15 miles. 15 to 20 miles. I want to show you this here. heavy rain. Bad. Dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Look at the streets. Alright guys, I'm heading home, and thanks for watching my vlog while I'm working. Gotta deliver all this, and then thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you for another vlog. I'll end this video now. See you soon. Alright, bye.